Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Asian Report. We'll cover the Aussie US here, the pound and euro Aussie as well. For this market here, as you know, we're looking at a five-wave structure to the downside here in terms of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And wave 4, we were looking for the 38.2 retracement level, which comes in sort of roughly where it is here. And then we're looking down for wave 5. Now, the tricky business here is that wave 4s can get quite complicated. So this may just be the first leg up here. But otherwise, if not, then shorting and then placing a stop above here down to 75 would be the trade. Let's just have a look at this wave 4 for a second. I'm just going to drill in here on 2-minute chart. I haven't labelled any of this. I just got to have a quick squizzy here. So, right. I'm just trying to find the balance line here. So the balance line is, if I can just grab this, it's this. That's the biggest block of supply here, and this one here, and this is the middle of it in here somewhere. So that will come in. Let me just have a look. Probably low about there, I guess. So this is, let me just do it this way here. That's 50, 60, that's probably quite close to the 50-60% retracement level there. That's, you'll need to double check this yourself though, of course. That's a 50-60% level from here to here and back again. And then this would be it roughly here. So this move down here appears to be impulsive. So this is likely to see, if this could come down further here too, by the way, but I can see that it's slowing down here. So there's probably some move back to here. And then there would be a move into here as a 50-60% retracement level, and then back up again. So it's going to kind of be a little bit sort of like this. This is a game of supply and demand, and the price bouncing through, back and forth in that support and resistance, which is basically working off the 61.8% mark. And this here is basically the balance line through here, somewhere in here, okay? So this is basically going to be a game of this. This is how markets work, you know what I mean? So you really need to allow this to play out to a point here. This trend here needs to be corrected, and this is roughly the 50-60% retracement level. This is roughly the 50-60% retracement level here. So if you just allow this to basically play out into this balance line here, you'll see at some point that it will move down from here or it'll move up from there. Because we're in a wave 4, you'll just have to play the balance line within that. Give it time, and it'll show it. It'll show itself to you. Okay, the euro pound, Aussie, euro Aussie here. Okay, I just need to reshape this. I'm just a bit short of time. That's why I'm just shooting the breeze here a little bit, sort of. That's all fine. That's all fine here. This wave 3 and 4 has already come into play here. So we were looking yesterday at 5 waves moving up. We're still on that track in terms of 1 and 2 here. This is obviously the 3rd into here. This is the 4th coming back into this area here. We'll be looking for the 5th wave up there, and then the A, the B, and the C wave into here, and then we'll look for this to move up through here. So we can start, looking at a buying opportunity sort of in here, a very small position here, if we get 5 waves here, okay? Got to get that 5 waves there. So I'm more interested in this pullback here and what that looks like and what this looks like, and then can we get in here and build on here to the upside here. Of course, you could just go long here if you wanted to and keep the stop down here out of the way somewhere and allow all that to play on, and then just keep adding on every low that you see through here. That's another way to play that, which is not such a bad way either. You just need to take the next logical step, and logic in one person's mind is different than another, because we not all see things in different ways, but would obviously see, there'll be groups of, 4 things that would be seeing. People see things visually and whatnot, and this and that, and so on. So that's that, and the pound Aussie would be much the same as well here. So just bring the pound Aussie up, and we'd labelled this one yesterday, so that's there. Now, this one was a little bit different, wasn't it? Because what we noticed here, if we use this low here, and that's kind of debatable at this stage, but it looks like the case. 1 and 2 here, the third wave, and fourth and fifth wave here for wave 1 and 2. Then the strong third wave here, but very short here. And so I was looking for the fourth here. But if this is the fourth here, then the fifth is, this fifth wave here has got to be shorter than this wave here. So that's what we were looking for there. And, it was a bit of a long shot, but I think we're going to stay with this, and it's looking at the Euro Aussie is kind of doing the same thing. So we're not really interested in any of this topping process here. We're more interested in checking demand again here, and then looking for the right setup here for any sort of long trade on this side here. So not a lot here. Probably better off staying with the Aussie US at this stage. All right, sorry to be so short and abrupt here, but just running short for time, and I just want to get a few things done on this Friday morning here. Alrighty, cheers.